So you want to install plugins on your Minecraft server. Thankfully at Pine Hosting, we have one of the easiest to use plugin installers in the industry. All you have to do is head over to your Minecraft server. The first thing you should do when you're on your Minecraft server is make sure you are running a version that supports plugins. You'll notice if you run like vanilla, for example, it's obviously not going to show the plugin tab. Just pick a version like Paper, which is what we're using in this video, and the plugin tab will show if it supports plugins. Then we can head over to the plugins tab, and from here you'll see we have quite a few options. Starting up at the top left, you can obviously search for any plugin you would like. So if you wanted to find a plugin such as Blue Map, for example, you can just type in Blue Map and there we go. Then you can click install. Obviously you can go back and scroll through all the pages here. We'll just install a few extra plugins just to show you how that works. As you can see, it'll show you when it's successfully been installed. Then we'll come back to the advanced section at the end of the video, but you also have an option to view all your installed plugins. Here you can see all your installed plugins and you can uninstall them from this page. You also have the option to upload your own plugins manually. For example, I can upload one block over here. Once it's uploaded, you'll see that one block will pop up over here. One other thing to mention is that our plugin installer builds a database of all the known plugins, which means if you upload a plugin like I just did through this button that you downloaded off of a site, or if you go and upload a plugin, for example, if I just uninstalled one block over here and we go back to the files page, as you can see here, we only have 4 plugins. I'm going to upload one block manually. We'll let that upload. So if you upload any plugins and our database detects that the plugin is the same, you'll notice that if we go back to the plugins page and click on installed, one block shows as installed again. This is great because it means you can upload plugins through the file manager. If you get given plugins from a friend, you can upload them through this page, or you can upload plugins directly through this plugin page over here. Now heading over to the advanced tab. When we click this, you'll see that it gives us a list of repositories such as Modrint, CurseForge, Hanger, Spigot. It also automatically detects the current version we're running for our Minecraft server. This is all done in the background when you're on basic mode, by the way. It'll automatically detect and install the plugin that matches your Minecraft version, and this is done through Modrint as it has the best version matching. If, for whatever reason, you want to go more advanced and select your own plugins from a different repository, such as Hanger, and let's say that you knew that a plugin on an older version would work on the latest version, you can always filter it like that, and it'll show all the plugins. You also have the option of selecting all, by the way, if you just want to get all the plugins from that repository. As you can see, this shows a few more hidden plugins and things, but we'll install this music one. In advanced mode, it shows a pop-up with a list of all the versions you want to install. This lets you fine-tune what version you want to do. Obviously, this is a lot slower than just being in basic mode, as a pop-up's going to show each time. So if you don't know what you're doing and you just want to install the latest version of the plugins, I would suggest going back to basic mode and just installing them like this. That covers everything for the Minecraft plugin installer. Obviously, if you have any further questions, feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to assist.